Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the SEMRush keyword magic tool and how you can use it to get and increase your traffic, your sales, and SEO of your website. So right now I have this website here. This is a website I made about 2 months ago, and using the SEMrush, I have increased the traffic by 425%. So I'm going to teach you how you can use the same method to increase your own traffic using the SEMrush keyword tool. So let's go to the keyword magic tool in the SEMrush dashboard and talk about how you can use it to find the best keywords. In the process, let's also learn about various options of the SEMrush keyword magic tool. So let's first search for a keyword. Okay, so you have to first type your main seed keyword here, and you have to find the location in this section. So for example, you can choose any of the countries here. I'm gonna go with India and hit search. Okay, so you get this search data here, and SEMrush is popular to have the best data about the keyword research, most accurate data. So let me show you how you can use the data and how you can navigate here to find the best possible option for your goals. So first of all, you will get the country here and your currency here. Okay. After that, you have a bunch of filters and different settings. So let's talk about each of them. In the all section, you get all the keywords available for this seed keyword. In the questions, you get the popular questions searched on Google based on this seed keyword, like what type of fabric t-shirt should have, or whatever the question people are asking. You will see those keywords in the question section. After that, you have some filters here. So first of all, we have the all keywords, which includes all the keywords from broad match, phrase match, and exact match. After that, we have the broad match, and it shows the keyword ideas which are in all forms. Okay, so this broad match is the best option to find a large number of keywords. After that, we have the phrase match, which simply add the um, words to your seed keyword. Like it can be t-shirting or similar kind of things. So in the phrase match, you will have something added in the seed keyword. Okay, so the t-shirt will always be there, but there will be some more words attached to it. The exact match shows you the keyword in the same area as the seed keyword. So if you get the t-shirt here, you will get the t-shirt for girls, couple t-shirt, full sleeve t-shirt, um, very much similar to the seed keyword. Okay, and in the related keyword, you will get the related searches with the seed keyword. But our focus right now is the broad match. After that, we have some data here. First of all, we have the main keywords, we have the intent, we have the search volume, the keyword difficulty, the cost per click, the SERP feature, and the updated time. And here we have the subgroups. So if you want to look for the subgroups, you can find them here. And this is good for when you are creating ad campaigns and want to create the groups for your PPC campaign. You can find the best keyword options here. One of the important filter is the intent. And there are four main intent in the SEMrush. We have the informational, the navigational, the commercial, and the transactional. So suppose you are writing a blog about t-shirts. In that case, you will need the informational keywords. Okay. And if you are selling t-shirt in a particular area, then you will need the navigational keyword. Like if you are selling in a physical location, let's say around New York, you will need the navigational keywords. If you are selling the product related to your seed keyword, you will need the commercial. This is essentially for when people are investigating or researching the brands. Okay, so for brand awareness, the commercial keywords are the best. And if you are selling something like on an online store or promoting the product. In that case, the transactional keywords will be the best. Okay, the transactional keywords include the keywords that people have interest in buying something. So in that case, you will need the transactional keyword. Now, how do you find the best keyword for your website? That depends on the domain authority score of your domain. Okay, so let's say you have a high domain authority score. So you have to go to this keyword difficulty. And if you have the highest score, you can go with the very hard keyword because that will be easier to rank. But if you are just starting your blog or your website, you should go with the very easy ones. These include the keywords which has the least competition on the search engine, the Google. So these keywords have more probability to rank for a new website. Okay, and if you have a domain score like 20, 30, you can go with the easy or possible keywords. You can also refine the data based on language. So you can choose your language from here and get the data in the local language of your country. If you are running the ad campaign, you should go with the subgroups here to find the best keywords and make sure to refine the CPC as well. Okay, so this is the data the advertisers pay for Google Ads. Okay, but if you are, let's say, monetizing your website with AdSense, you should go with the keywords with the highest CPC. That way you can get the maximum benefits, maximum profit using the AdSense. We have other filter here, which is by volume, and here you can get the total volume of the subgroups in a particular category of the keywords. So in the print section, in the sports section, and name and online, you get these search volume. So based on these, you can create your PPC campaigns. But this is the basic idea. Now, based on your website type, whether you have the blog or you have a commercial website, you are selling something, you have to refine the keywords. First of all, make sure to choose the keyword difficulty based on your domain authority. After that, you have to choose the intent, whether you are selling something or are writing some blog articles. Based on that, you have to choose the commercial or the informational keyword intent. If you are selling in a physical location in a certain range, you can go with the navigational. Or if you are going with some brand, you are planning to set up your brand, you can go with the commercial intent. After that, you have to go with the questions and create your FAQs. And finally, you have to use the CPC. If you are using for advertisement, you should go with the lowest CPC. And if you are going with the blog or AdSense monetization, you should go with the highest CPC. You can also refine the keywords using the include keywords, and this is a really good way to find long tail keywords. Okay, so if you want to find the long tail keywords, you can further refine by adding certain terms in your seed keyword, and it will give you a long tail keyword. Now, after that, you can find the best keywords here, select them, and export the data from here and use them in your website for blog, for product name, for rich results, and so on. But yeah, this is how you use the SEMRush keyword research tool. And if you are wondering, yes, this is totally worth it. I know many people complain that SEMrush is a little expensive, but the results you get with this are totally worth it. Like I had the paid plan for 1 month, and I have recovered that using the AdSense. So I found the best keywords here written about that and earned back all the money I have spent on the premium plan. So yeah, this is totally worth it. We're going to talk about more tools in some future videos, but for the keyword research tool, that's it. So I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.